will find out how do we determine mean using graphs. So first of all, we have learned how to make the ogives. So we will make less than ogive, then we will make more than ogive, then the point of intersection of both less than and more than ogive is the value of median. So this is very easy to find out the median through graphical representation. Let's understand this with the help of example. So this is the question. We are given the marks and the number of students. So marks and number of students is the frequency. Now number one, what you will do to make, you have to make the two ogives, that is less than and the more than ogive. So first of all, what you will do, you will convert this class into less than class to make the less than ogive and the less than cumulative frequency. Then what we will do, we will convert it into the more than class and we will find out the more than cumulative frequency, and then we will plot the cumulative frequency and the less than graph on the graph to make the ogive. So this is less than 5, how many students are there? 4. Less than 10, how many students are there? 4 plus 6, 10. Less than 15, how many students are there? 4 plus 6 plus 10, 20. Less than 20, so 20 plus 10 is 30. Less than 25, how many students are there? 30 plus 25, 55. Less than 30, how many students are there? 55 plus 22 is 77. Less than 35, 77 plus 18, which is 95. And less than 40, how many students are there? 95 plus 5, 100. So this we have find out the less than and the cumulative frequency for the less than ogive. Now let's find out the more than ogive for the more than approach. Right? More than 0. How many students have scored more than 0? All the 100 students. Then more than 5. 4 are the less than 5. So more than 5 will be all this apart from 4. So 100 minus 4 is 96. More than 10. 96 minus 6, 90. More than 15. 90 minus 10. Students more than 15 are 90 minus 10. That is 80. More than 20. Students more than 20 who have scored are these. So 80 minus 10 are more than 20. More than 25. So 70 minus 25, that is 45 are more than. More than 30. 45 minus 22, that is 23. More than 35 are 22 minus 18, that is 5. And more than 40 are 5 minus 5, 0. Nobody scored more than 40. So we have find out the cumulative frequency for the less than and the cumulative frequency for the more than ogive. Now let's make both the less than and the more than ogives here. For less than ogive, we will take the less than class and the cumulative frequency for the less than class, which was at 0, there was nothing. If it was less than 5, how many frequency was there? 4. Less than 10, how many were there? 10. Less than 15, how many were there? 20. Less than 20, how many students were there? 30. Somewhere here. Less than 25, how many students were there? 55. So somewhere 50, 55, somewhere here. Then less than 30, how many students were there? 77. 77. 35, less than 35, it was 95. These. And less than 40, all the 100 students. Right? So this was your less than ogive. So only if less than ogive is given, you have to find out the median class. What you will do? N divided by 20, which is 50. So you will plot 50. 50 is here. You will intersect 50 with this line. This is 24. In the same way, if we will plot the more than ogive, we will get more than 0 over 100. Then more than 5 were 96. More than 10 were 90. So somewhere here. More than 15 were 80 students. Somewhere here. More than 20 were 70 students. Somewhere here. More than 25 were 45 students. Somewhere here. More than 30, there were 23 students. Somewhere here. More than 35, there were 5 students. More than 40, there were 0 students. So this we have find out the more than ogive. So more than ogive also what you will do, you will calculate n by 2, that is 50. So from 50 you will take the line parallel to x-axis and you will cut the line on the more than ogive and you will draw the point on the x-axis. You will get 24. And where the more than ogive and less than ogive intersect, it is the point of median. So median we have got as 24. So 24 marks are the median marks. This is how you find out the median using the graphic representation. I hope you like our video. Do download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.